For all those haters out there, suck my ass, because you're no good and better than everybody else.
Bitch, I'm feeling like a bad bitch already. You feel me? And this is how you can be bougie on a budget, bitch.
Honeybaby. I am that bitch, but bitch, I'm the man. I got big plans.
I look crazy. But it's okay because I'm not gonna look like this soon. I live like this. Do you hear my hair? It's pretty crunchy. This is the 24 hours Mini tutorial time. So we're gonna do 2 layers of the got to be gel. Okay, we're gonna make sure it's all tacky and shit. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Understand me like no one else can. And then we're gonna lay it. We're gonna lay it really good. Okay, make sure that bitch is flat. Cause if it's not flat, baby, it's whack. My side, oh, maybe I'm just asking too much. Maybe I'm going through stuff. Just wanna feel more than enough. So, if you didn't already fucking know, I do my own nails. And now we're just gonna dip them, shape them, paint them. Okay. So, we're gonna do silver glitter. Show bitch the fuck. I really should do this on a surface. You want to like do the polish as neat as possible because you don't want it to get everywhere. So now I'm just gonna continue to do 2 more coats. You can see the glitter flying around my room, and then we'll be back. Don't be alarmed by the wig that you're seeing. So I did them. I have on a mask. This is just part of, you know. I used Aztec, the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Pore Cleansing, some ACV. For my DIY bitches. Bougie on a budget. Period. I don't get my eyebrows done. I either tweeze them or I get the little razor drawn thing, and I only get my eyebrows cleaned up, and Lee Dash is the only one that can do that at this point because baby don't got eyebrows, okay? Like, bitch, I got lines on my fucking face. Look at this shit. This shit is healthy. This shit is healthy as hell. This is a healthy ass sandwich, bro. Now what we're gonna do is work on our hair. So my face is red from the mask, so don't even mind that. It's gonna go away. So, to my brows. Now we're gonna move on to the makeup because I look like a fucking potato right now. Okay, so let's start off with some foundation. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Buff Base. So I'm just gonna So now when it comes to like foundation, this shit be mad weird because I got fucking freckles and shit. So I don't know, I feel like my face just be looking a little dirty sometimes. I really wasn't even gonna put foundation on. Since we're doing a glow up, open bitch. Since we're doing a glow up transformation video, like, why not? So now that all that's on, ow, I just poked myself in the fucking eye. I'm gonna take peanut butter out of this Makeup Revolution. I'm at this, I don't know, Makeup Revolution palette, I guess. Now we're gonna go in with this Aaliyah palette, and we're gonna go with the middle drawn with the same brush too. You just wanna blend that out. Having a little trouble with my shit going on. My shit is darker because I have product on my brush. So, oh, so pretty. I'm just winging it. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm gonna take this red. We're just gonna wing it. In here, okay? Same brush that we used the brown on. Same brush we're gonna blend our motherfucking red eyeshadow with. I'm gonna take this little brush and I'm gonna go in with this like burnt orange shade right here, and I'm gonna like, ooh, actually no, I'm gonna go in with this maroon shade. Whoops. And I'm gonna blend that out in my crease, okay? So now we're just gonna get this cut crease going. When I tell y'all this whole video was a fucking fail, but we're gonna continue anyway. So the crease is cut, and now we're just gonna take this brulee little like eyeshadow thingy from Wet n Wild, slap some of this on here, and we're gonna pat that bitch right up on here, just like this. You feel me? A very, very neutral shade. We gonna do some concealer. My concealer is like kind of like my shade, so even though this is real like white, this isn't the only concealer I'm gonna use. You know everything that I say is the truth. So you say I try to fight it, I can't deny it. Fire ignites and our worlds they collide and the sparks they are flying. Blend, 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 bitch. You are inside it. We both are excited. My body, yes, you are invited to. Oh, I know I'm wrong for feeling this way. For feeling this way. A few things I had to say to you. No, I can't even lie. You've been on my mind. I'm glad that you called. I'm glad that you called me. Under my eyes, I think I want this darker shade. Some Fenty, baby, Fenty. And I'm just gonna take some little ass brush to like to do my brow bone, because I don't want to OD it. It's so easy to OD my brow bone. Both of them. And I'm gonna take it. This is like my favorite fucking part, but everybody fucking knows that. None of you blunt so that we can get high. Bitch, I'm feeling like a bad bitch already. You feel me? Oh, before I even do my lips, I really want to make my eyebrows red. So, but I'm just gonna take this red, the really red, and I'm gonna try to woo, there's something on this eye. Is the lash coming off? I don't know how this is gonna turn out, being that they're already like really brown. Oh my god, my eyebrows are red! So I feel like this is just as red as they're gonna get. So actually, for my lip liner, I'm about to do some different shit. With this brown that I use for my eyebrows and line my lips with it. Fortune cookie? That's not fortune cookie. This is called creme brulee. I'm just gonna take some of this and put it in the middle. This look like, ooh, this is cute. So let's take this down now. This shit better do what like it needs to do. Damn, that's a bad bitch. That's a bad bitch. So now I'm gonna go finish. I'm gonna get a little dressy dress, and we're gonna be back.
This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life.
All right, y'all. So bitches done went and turned up on you. Showed y'all I was a little funny looking and stuff, but now I'm a bad bitch. Who are you? Bad bitch. Bad bitch. And this is how you can be bougie on a budget, bitch. I did my nails. I did my own wig. This is a TJ Maxx coat, bitch. This is not even a tube top. It was supposed to have strings on it, but it melted in the dryer. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all that good shit. Honey baby out.